tables of electron gain enthalpy. In periodic table, there are two trends. One is left to right and the second is top to bottom. Left to right. Trends in periodic left to right and top to what is the trains of electron gain enthalpy in periodic table? When we moved from left to right, then the size of atom decreases. You have studied earlier under the topic of atomic radii that when we move from left to right, then the size of atom decreases. And if the size of atom decreases, when we add electron to that, then more energy is released. So when we move from left to right, then the electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. Electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. That is, when we move in periodic table from left to right, the electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. Due to this, the halogens of periodic table have highest electron gain enthalpy. Halogens have highest electron gain enthalpy. Negative electron gain enthalpy is highest when we move from left to right. Now, there were an irregularities in electron gain enthalpies of halogen. As you studied that when we move from left to right, the electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. Electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. When we move from top to bottom, the electron gain enthalpy becomes more positive. Electron gain enthalpy becomes more positive or less negative. Becomes more positive or less negative. But there were an irregularities in halogens. In case of halogens, the electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is more than fluorine. Now, what is the reason? Behind this? That the electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is more than fluorine. This is the question, very important question for you. That what is the reason that the electron, when we move from left to right, the electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. While we move from top to bottom, the electron gain enthalpy becomes more positive or less negative. In this sequence, if we see the halogens that is fluorine, bromine, iodine and etc. According to this, the electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is more than chlorine. But it is not correct. We find that the electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is more than fluorine. And what is the reason behind this? That the electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is more than fluorine. Why? The electron gain enthalpy of electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is more than fluorine. If you see the electronic configuration or cell diagram of both elements, or if you consider about the size of the element, you will find that the size of fluorine is much more less than chlorine. There is only one thing, that the size, this is the matter, size of fluorine. What? Size of fluorine is much less than size of fluorine is less than chlorine. Since the size of fluorine is less, so if we want to one extra electron, there were crowding of electron in a small space in case of fluorine. There were crowding because fluorine have 9 electrons and the space is very small. So there were the crowding of electron in that space, and if we want to add electron, it is not expected by the fluorine that it accept the electron. So the electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of the fluorine. The only one reason behind this, that is the size of fluorine is very small. Is that clear? Yes.